Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers again, coming to you today with another printable haul. I love to do printables because I have zero patience. I love the sticker shops and I love when it's sent to me and I don't have to do any of the work, but sometimes they take too long, so I try to find alternates. I still do order from sticker shops, don't get me wrong, but I do try to find alternates that I can print right now and kind of get my yayas out. So I did have one day where I bought some printables and I'm going to show you what they are. And other than that, I'm going on a 30-day no sticker buying haul. So far, so good. I bought other things, but no stickers. Okay, so the first shop I have here, let's do this one. This is DesignLovelyStudio. Now I have bought also I don't know if I showed this in my last haul. I bought a monthly kit. And I thought these little corners were super cute. And what I use them for is in my dailies, or on my dailies, on my bigger ones, I was using them like this. Like I would just put them up in the corner. So like this, just to give it a little extra zhuzh, and you know, you can print them as many times as you want. So I would just put them in the corners of the pages. I thought that looked cute. Sorry about that, I hit the camera. So these are from DesignLovelyStudio, or shop.designlovelystudio.com, and I believe they're also on Etsy. So I got those. And then this super cute shop that I've shopped from before is called Plan4happy. They have the cutest little designs. It says they have a Facebook group and it's plan4happy.etsy.com, and Instagram is @plan4happy. Look how cute these little girls are. They're pink, holding their little French fries. Can you see that little French fry? She's pink holding her little French fry. That is so cute. French fries are my favorite food. So they come in big and small. These are your two sizes. And you obviously, since you're printing them yourselves, you can scale them down if you like. I also got French fries to go along with it, because who doesn't like pink French fries? Look how cute. That's a little in the big. I may resize these down just a little bit smaller. And then I also got these. Now these fit in these little micro happy planner books. If you just get the hole punch, you can put them in here. But I got these that say no spend for my sidebar. I already foiled this one in silver. So it comes with this with the little hearts on the side. Comes with this one. Comes with this one with the arrows. And this one with the little stars on it. And then you get these little micro books. And if you have the Happy Planner punch, you just slide them in here. And this is how I keep a lot of, even if it's, these were already cut in the silhouette like this, so I didn't even have to cut out this part. So if you don't have a cutter for this, you don't need to, because your silhouette will cut this shape out for you, or it gives you an option to not cut it out. Now I like to put things in here that are not cut for this micro, and I just cut them myself. Okay, so I got those Plan4happy. From Plan4happy, I got these little popcorn ones. I only took some of them out because it's the same thing. This is the bigger size. This is the smaller size of the popcorn. Then you just stick them in there like you would your Happy Planner. I love this type of storage for my stickers. These are little stickers. So if you buy stickers, or if you are planning with your stickers, you can use that in your memory planning. Here they are, a little bigger size. Then I got telephones, because I'm always needing telephones. These are the small size, and then this is the bigger size, and this is pretty much the same colorway. And then you just stick them in there like you would your Happy Planner, and then you have, you know, all of this if you want to take it with you. It's not that crammed. Then I got these little robots your little robot cleaners. This is the big size. This is the little size. I may try also making those a little smaller. Then I got these, which are little tiny, look how cute. It says notes, goals, work, bill, gratitude, remember, to do, to buy, to call, to clean, meals this week. So cute. So I'm gonna put these back in here real quick, and I will show you real quick also how I'm using these in my daily pages. I think that's pretty much everything that went in here. I mean, these are so cute. I have several of these that I just, if I have something that's small, I'll just punch it in the hole and stick it in there. It's a good way to keep track of your smaller sheets. So for Plan for Happy, what I have been doing is I'll take out my daily. Of course, I keep switching out my dailies. So I'll take out my daily, and then I'll put this little tiny to buy, and then I put my meals down here. Or if I want to remember to clean something or to do, sometimes I put to do. And then under remember, I want to do one thing that I don't want to do and one thing that I do want to do every single day. So that's what I'm using those for. And I'm really enjoying them, actually. They're very small. They look super cute on pretty much everything. And very inexpensive. So there's that. Then the final shop that I ordered printables from is, I know I'm going to screw this up. It's TuulisDigitals. TuulisDigitals. I don't know. I'm really sorry. I do apologize. But I got hamburgers or cheeseburgers, which are going to go with the fry ones that I got. Or not, maybe just a hamburger. And then I got this, reminds me of those other ones that just say, oh hell no. Heart script, oh hell no. It's very cute. And then these little girls say Danny Morning, and I got her in fair. Or I think it comes with all three skin tones. I printed her in fair and tired in fair. So cute. A gift. So for Amazon packages, or if I give a gift or something, or get a gift. And smiling. She's got this cute little smile on her face. And then I thought these were really pretty. I don't think this style is new, but I really liked them. This is just lingerie for when I wash silks, or I don't know, whatever you want to use it for. I just thought it was pretty. And then I also got these little hangers, which are in the same colorway. It's like pink, blue, green, yellow, and purple. None of these were very expensive, like I said before, and you can just keep printing them as much as you want. And that's it for my printable haul. I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul here, and I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Please, if you like this content, remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment. I'm really trying to up my subscribers. I'm trying to get to 200. I only need what I need, 23 more people to get to 200. So please, I would so much appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch it, and have a great day. Bye.